Hello, my name's Marty Marr from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 25 Narani Way in Fairhaven. It's a big, beautiful new home that we love to present to the market. We don't get many new homes, so this is a really great offering in the current market. It has all the features you'd expect in a modern home. Open plan living, great use of light, 6-star energy rating, which includes the double glazing. It's got ducted air conditioning right through, a big central living area, plus a second living area for the kids. Good separation with 4 bedrooms, 3 on one level, master separate, but also a big home office, plus a double garage. So it's set on a 1,000 square metre allotment right in the heart of Fairhaven, which offers all the lifestyle opportunities that you would expect from a great coastal residence. If this sounds like you, we'd love to show it to you. Feel free to contact myself, Marty Marr or Mim Atkinson on the following numbers. We'd love to help you.